Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I'm working on the 57 again today. When I sectioned in this piece of door, she sank in quite a bit on me here. So a friend of mine gave me a stud gun, uses these kind of studs. So I'm gonna see if I can weld a few of those on and see what we can pull out here. So we'll just keep at her. So guys, I have to admit, I've never used one of these before, so let's see what we can do. Stud got really hot. Didn't do anything though. I have a feeling that that wasn't supposed to happen. Huh. Bit of grief here. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I better read directions.